I'm Emily from CVTC in the cosmetology program, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about going to bed with wet hair. A lot of times when we go to bed with wet hair, we tend to have some breakage. A lot of people like to just take their hair and put it up on top of their head to go to bed, because when we have long hair, a lot of times things like this happen as we're sleeping in the night and we feel like we're choking on our hair. So although I don't recommend going to bed with wet hair, if you are somebody that does that, one thing that can help is if you add some nice leave-in conditioner products, and there's a few of them up here on my counter that could be used in these situations. And then just to put the hair in a very simple braid, so instead of pulling it all up and having that tight rubber band on the hair where it could cause that breakage, if we can just put it in a nice braid, that's going to help. So I'm going to just split the hair into 3, and I'm going to cross over the top, and I'm going to cross over the top again, and each strand from the outside crosses over the top to create your braid. And it's going to be nice and loose, so it's not going to be tight on your head and bother you while you're sleeping as much. It won't wrap around your neck if you are a mover when you sleep. And the beauty of this is in the morning it's going to be easier to comb through your hair as well. Sometimes for little kids this works out really nice too, because they don't have the tangles that they would have if they went to bed with just wet hair. And then I'm going to just grab my rubber band here and loosely tie this back, and that's a good way to sleep. If you want more information about the cosmetology program here at CVTC, check us out at cvtc.edu. Thank you.